here, and it's time. It's time for another Safe and Sane demo for you. And it's moving all over because we got a little fountain from TNT Fireworks called Rowdy. I was just monkeying around, get it? Yeah, okay. So it's a baby fountain, really tiny. Right, we're just gonna shake her up. Yep. Barrel full of monkeys. If you're from a certain generation, you know what I'm talking about. I'm looking around here. It just says caution, sparks. There's a little description of what it looks like, which is really hard to see. I'm going around here. Yeah, just a Safe and Sane. Fuse, bottom. So I'll tell you what, we are going to wait till it gets dark. You never know. You never know with the size of a fountain. But we're going to go ahead. We're going to wait till it gets dark. Head over to the launch pad. We're going to light Rowdy. And let's see if this little fountain monkeys around and gives us a pretty good show. Are you ready? Let's go! Head. And we got this itty bitty little fountain from TNT Fireworks. It's called Rowdy. It's got a monkey on it. We're not going to monkey around anymore. Let's light this fuse and get away. Whoa. Pretty decent. Tiki torch. Whoa! You know what? The monkey saw me coming and he blew it out. Barbecue!